We're gonna grill tonight. Here are the pork chops. They've been seasoned with garlic, salt, and pepper. A couple hours. The grill is ready, and we will put okay, so a couple of minutes, about 7 to 8 minutes, we'll check. And 400, so let me see. Timer, 8 minutes. Okay, 8 minutes. Okay, and we'll wait. Okay, close it up for another 8 minutes. Timer's on. Looks good. Okay, about a minute left. Time to check. Got a plate for the pork chops. Measure temperature. Okay. Yep, okay. Good. Oh, that's good. Okay, give it a It's getting a little too hard. Pork chops off. Beautiful pork chops. For pork chops for dinner tonight, grilled. We clean the grill. That's a good sound. Gas is off. Burner's off. This is closed. And one more time. Probably should check before. Okay. Pork chops 165. All good. So, time to go in and eat with the rest.